Good morning to the Kringle community all over the world. You're welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I welcome to you this wonderful and beautiful sunny morning. Yeah, how was our night? Yeah, guys, this morning I want to encourage every one of us. What is that passion that you got? What is that desire of yours? What is that particular thing that you think, yes, I need to get this thing done to give life a meaning? Pursue your dream. Go after your passion. Go after it with all vigor. Be dedicated. Be committed to that which you want to achieve. Life only answers to those who give all in search for that which they believe in. What did you believe in? Almighty God, to give you success in all your endeavors, in all you do. This morning, as you step out, I'm encouraging you. Just, you know what? Focus on Him. Look unto Him. Ask for the strength. Ask for the enablement. He's the creator. He knows all. Ask your creator what he has in stock for you and pursue everything that you have in mind. Your dreams, your passion. Pursue it with every of your vigor. Do not allow any mindset that will bring you down. Every Lilliputian mindset, discard it. Every wrong thought, every wrong mindset, discard it. You are a winner, you are a victor. So go all out and exercise that your dominion authority. Everything you desire will come to be. And to the Congo community, as you go out today to prospect, yes, men will answer to you and they will come into the community for us to build this community, for us to end the distribution of His word. So, guys, wish you all the well. Cheers. See you. Bye.